Today is race day. This is a situation here. I have to do a lot of things on this car.
You didn't tell us there was a NOS tank in the back.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog and thank you for tuning in. We have Mimi up on the Jim Glow trailer and we are headed to Irwindale. Today is the day we are finally going to drag race the 6.0 liter Iron Black that we got swapped inside of her. I'm excited. What do you guys think the 8th mile time is gonna be? We're gonna still do a quarter mile time, maybe. We'll see how she feels tonight, but I do wanna at least do a pass to make sure everything's safe, nothing breaks, and we'll see. If the power feels good, maybe we'll keep running. If not, which likely not, maybe we start doing some more work. About 6 minutes out, we just got here to the gas station. Sean's gonna fill up Mimi while I fill up the truck. I think we're getting these reversed here. All right, gassed up, we are ready to go.
Let's do it.
All right, we're just pulling up right now. Hey, there's Alex. That's Alex Troy. What's up, buddy?
What up, what up?
What are you doing? And that's for me? Alex just pulled tires randomly out of his McLaren.
Something out, dude. We only got a little bit to race.
Yeah, I got some driving I want to do. Hey, Sean.
Yo.
Honest to God, do you think she'll pass tech?
Yeah.
I'm a little worried.
You want to do this? Good luck.
Are we gonna race today?
Oh.
Yeah, that's a yes. So we were just placing bets whether or not we're gonna pass tech.
But there's only one way to find out. Yeah.
Let's do this. All right, let's go, baby. Come on, cam sensor.
Let's hear the exhaust. Yeah, yeah. You digging that? I dig that. Oh, oh. That is nice.
You're gonna need a fire suit.
I need to check my Tesla.
You gonna race that too?
Yeah.
Oh, the gang's all here today. This is great. So the funny thing is, Alex doesn't have a fire retardant jacket, so he's probably gonna have to fit into my race suit. You can work it.
Hey, you want to race my Tesla?
What?
Against my McLaren?
But he's got a Bentley to race.
I'll race my Bentley against your McLaren. By the time you even stick down, I'm gonna be like,
Your wristband? Yo, let's go get in line.
all the other stuff we were stressing about. We forgot that the windows don't go up.
We'll make it work. Even if we have to pull them out and tape them on. You good, Alex?
Yeah.
Well, this is certainly one way to do it. Literally the only way to do it.
Yeah.
That's what we did when we dynoed.
Hey, look at that.
Yeah! Oh. Yeah, or one down.
One up. One up.
Oh, yeah, one up. So with all the cars that are here tonight, I'll be lucky if I get to do 2 runs. Stupid idea.
Right now?
Millennial
your
and you
shift knob
talking.
is no, it's because your shift knob's taped on right now.
Right, it's loose, and maybe we shouldn't talk about things that could go wrong.
No, I think manual is a good idea.
I think once I'm in a seat and I can reach the pedals and I'm not worried about the brake falling off or the shift knob disassembling between itself.
There's no
I don't
way.
think we ever put the cotter pin in the brake.
There's no way.
I think maybe we were in a rush trying to get to the dyno.
All right, I still haven't heard your thoughts. What do you think I'm gonna run today?
9.2.
I'll be happy if I break 9s, but I don't think I will. Because think about it, with the 200 shot, I was still at the same horsepower. I have 50 more horsepower than I did then. So 50 more horsepower with the manual, exactly.
Manual.
Do you think I'll break 9?
If you can get it out of the hole.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You think I can break 9s?
If you can get it out of the hole.
And not miss shift?
If
you can get it out of the hole.
What he's saying is definitely detonate your entire diff, like instantly.
I hear a very soft no.
It's gonna be hard because it's on radials. So you're gonna have to like figure out how to walk it out of the hole.
You gotta feather it.
Yeah.
With a clutch that takes
No
That
feathering.
I can barely reach and you can barely feather.
There's no feathering
with
that clutch.
the race car clutch. Yeah, feather it. Yeah.
Yeah.
And no handbrake, so I can't like, you know.
You're literally just backing it up and it just like does burnouts.
Oh, that's us. That's us.
Alright, let's do it.
Lane's going. I don't know if we'll be passing this one though. We might just scoot up closer.
Hey, we got the windows up.
Forgot the computer, we forgot the GoPros. We got the windows up.
I feel like this is like a home movie.
Kind of. Sorry guys, no in-car footage of this pass.
Well, at least we can hear your exhaust.
Yeah. 680, Alex is getting kicked out. $87.12. So Alex needs some fire jar now, or like a fire jacket, because he's not gonna be able to run again. Now he needs to wear a fire suit. He's not allowed to run again without one.
Oh, he was wearing a fire suit. It says Fox on it. What are you talking
Funny. That was like the epitome of a bad dad joke.
Was it?
Yari was in the 8s with the Bentley too.
Did he take the
Yeah, he
350?
took the 350.
Hell yeah, dude. I'd be so mad if I just got beat by some SUV. I'm like, what the hell?
Dude, but Grayson didn't even floor it. The Tesla totally would have taken the 720.
It was close, huh?
Yeah, no, not even actually. Why, I don't know why I'm saying yeah.
Well, in an 8th, I'd actually think that might be a decent race.
Yeah.
Did he even put it in ludicrous mode or any of that?
Blacklisted for no lights. Really? After waiting like an hour.
They just pulled me out of line. I didn't know I needed headlights.
Nothing's going right for you today, huh? Isn't it?
I can't believe that. They didn't say that during tech.
No. Literally, you get to the very front of the line and kicks you out.
Hopefully Sandy can work his magic.
Oh, that would probably help. One of those.
He just said taillights, right?
He said taillights.
That's it. Okay.
Okay, go.
We don't have bulbs in the headlights.
He says we're good. We're good!
This is super sketchy.
Is it?
I can barely reach the shift knob
And the pedals.
and the pedals.
Forgot your booster seat, huh?
I'm using a blanket right now.
All right. Good luck.
I'm a little nervous right now.
Literally the last car. How was it?
I broke the shift knob and I couldn't reach to put it in third.
Was it?
That was terrible.
What'd you do?
I'm gonna be honest, that was terrible. I did a 10-2.
10-2.
What
Yeah.
mile an hour?
79.
You said you broke the shifter?
I didn't break it. It just like
It
fell and I thought it was in third and I couldn't reach all the way.
So you only went through first and second? Oh, it's like fully broken.
Yeah, and then I thought I put it in third. Well, I don't know what happened. All right, guys, so we're gonna close the episode here. I'm just kidding.
Did you get into third gear?
No, I couldn't get into third, so I threw it into fourth. We're actually not gonna end the episode here. I'm way too
Mother flipping.
competitive. We will be back here next week as a 2-part episode.
Pretty good in a quarter.
Where did 11 come from?
I thought you did 11
No,
too.
I did too. At 79 miles per hour. I got no speed.
Usually you need 3 gears to get speed.
Thanks, buddy. I also have no lights, so I have no idea what RPM I am, so I'm kind of waiting to see if I can hear it redlining. Maybe we'll put like an iPad next time in there.
That was the plan.
Thank you.
Yeah. No problem. Duct tape and zip ties.
So Sandy tells me afterwards that he literally ripped a wire out of his truck from behind a stereo so that we could run brake lights.
Hey,
You're
whatever.
thinking on your feet. I appreciate that. Thank you.
The car made a pass, okay?
Yeah, that was the goal. We made a pass, but now we're gonna come next week to make a better pass. I want to break 9s.
All right.
Or at least get a run where I don't
Flipping.
miss shift because I can't reach. My 60 was 2.4.
Oh, it's terrible.
My reaction time was 0.281. But the problem was with that too was another thing. I don't know if this is downhill or what, but I couldn't like pushing the clutch and rev to a certain RPM because the car would start rolling forward.
So we need a button and a line lock.
I don't know if we'll get that by Thursday, but I think the focus is a seat first.
You need more power. Turbos.
I think I need a seat to reach the pedals and the shifter first.
Nah, you just need turbos.
Just trade it in for a stock Mustang.
Well, here she is all loaded up, but we're gonna be coming back because I'm not yet convinced about that time. I know I can do better. So next week we'll race the Prius.
Yeah, Prius versus the G-Body.
Next week it is. And the truck.
And the truck. I don't know if that'll pass tech.
1 week later.
Right, round two, back at it again. We're a little bit more prepared this time. I got my suit, got my safety. We put the new Kirky seat in and we actually mounted it correctly. Sandy welded this back brace and did such a phenomenal job. She's in here. We actually mounted it to the stock rails that were on the car before, so it's kind of funny. If you put power to it, you can actually move the seat forward a little bit. But Sandy also welded this back bracing bar for the Kirky seat. Did such an incredible job on this. I'm so happy with how everything's come out. We're trying to find a way to mount the computers so I can have gauges for red line. Also door cards, that was a big thing we got on tech the last time, but we're here early, believe it or not. We should get plenty of time for some good runs today. Knock on wood, not trying to jinx anything. My goal is to break 9, but with the manual and no trans brake or line lock or anything, that might be an issue. But comment below, you guys, because I don't know if I want to do a line lock. I was thinking of just doing a handbrake. Comment below, I would love to hear your thoughts because I'm still so new to the drag stuff. I really don't know entirely what I'm doing. What do you think, Sean? Line lock or e-brake?
Don't judge me. This is your new dash. Line lock.
I kind of want a handbrake.
So you can drift? It'd be sick.
Hey,
Yes, ma'am.
line lock or handbrake?
Line lock.
Yo, I don't know if they're gonna let that fly. Hey, that's one of the sheepy Lambos.
Is it?
Dude, is Alex here right now? All right, we're gonna go ahead and get in line. It's starting to get a little busy. I'm getting nervous. But I think we're all set up here.
It's funny because she drove by and it sounds like it's her car, but it's actually a way nicer car over there.
Uh-huh.
Some Nova or something.
Yeah.
Redneck gauges right here.
That looks great to me.
Really taped on shift knob. It's so funny because it looks so serious and yet it's like a stock LS.
I'm nervous. My heart's going a little bit.
That's because you're in like a real race seat. Yeah. The Silverado or the Hoopty?
You know that whole leave easy thing?
Yeah. She didn't get that.
No, didn't
Just
get
spun,
that.
stopped, spun again in second, stopped, and then went and still ran a 980, which is bad.
It'd be really bad if she got her ass whooped by a ship. Oh wait, it is a ship.
Oh.
So I thought it was incredible, but the time was only a 9.8.
Yeah, it's because you literally spun through first and spun through second.
Yeah, I'm glad I could see that I was redlining. I couldn't hear anything, but I think I broke something.
Then why'd you get back in line?
I don't know. I think I need stickier tires, or just to come off it a lot slower.
There you go. Use the horsepower you got.
I don't know how to not use power.
You know what? I'm curious. Leave in second.
Really? I'll try it.
Leave gingerly, like your first Sunday drive. Think Sunday drive, but I'm in a race car.
All right, we're gonna launch this one in second then, and lightly come onto it.
And away they go. She's happy now.
Oh, I accomplished my goal today.
With that?
That felt so much better launching in second.
You got into 8, right?
Yeah, I did 8-7.
I could kind of see.
Watching?
Yeah, I was standing right there.
Oh, you can see
I just
the
watched you
board?
get smoked by a Trailblazer.
I beat him.
Oh, did you?
Pulled 2 front leaps on him at the end.
Did you?
Yeah, look
Oh,
at the time. I can't wipe this grin off my face. This feels so good. I'm just happy I broke into 8s, you guys. That was my goal, I've accomplished it. I don't know if I could break into 7s. Even if I chirped, and even if I shifted fast enough for 4th, or even if like I just held in like the high RPM, I don't know.
Your 60 foot was a 2.2.
When you dumped the clutch,
I wasn't.
you were just revved up.
No, I wasn't even revved up. I literally just dropped the clutch and gave it gas.
Perfect. Give it a little more gas next time.
All right, new plan. We'll rev it up a little bit, we'll dump it in 2nd, and I'll try and throw it in 4th. All right, we're gonna take a look at the logs, which is super cool. We can do that right now, trackside. Well, let's take a look at this and see what I did. And then, there we go.
You left.
So you didn't leave on
Perfect
much
shift.
RPM.
3rd was like nothing. Oh, yep. That was me trying to get past the line, and then I just put it in 4th.
That wasn't too bad of a red line.
Not really. So that was me like so close to the finish line, wanting just to hold it. I almost don't know if there's enough room to shift there then.
Probably not.
Yeah.
It depends what your 60 foot is.
I'm so glad we have this. Shout out HP tuners.
Wait. You can't keep my laptop in the car though.
What do you mean?
It's not a part of the car.
I don't know. I mean, it's pretty strapped down now.
I'll sell it to you for $46. That's all it's worth.
You have yourself a deal, sir.
All right.
And there goes an axle.
Here, will you take this, please?
This right here?
Souvenir gift.
Tires literally come out of the axle right now.
Yeah.
Are you serious?
This ain't gonna do me no good right now.
Oh my god! You're f***ing kidding me. We might need that 9-inch sooner now.
Yeah,
I can't believe that. I didn't launch that
It
hard.
snaps so loud.
Oh yeah, you guys see that right there? Oh man!
Yeah.
That wheel's about to fall out right now. For all those comments online, I was like, no, I'll be fine with a stock
Remember when I
LS.
said just give it a little more off the line and retract my previous statement, the rear end cannot handle it.
Do you remember when I said I don't know how to properly modulate gas? It's either on and off. So I have a thing, and Sean and I do this thing where we never say one more. We always say 2 more. And earlier I said we might do one
She
more.
literally goes 2 more.
Thank God the trailer has a winch.
Yeah.
So I don't know if we were talking about this on camera or not, but we were definitely talking about plans next, and it was gonna be more power, it was gonna be stickier tires, it was gonna be the 9-inch. This was the last run before we got rid of the 7.5.
Well, yeah, now.
Yeah. Bro. Now trying to get it into the shop is gonna be tough. Do it.
Stay.
All right, we're gonna load Meet Me Up onto the trailer right now. We're not gonna film it though, because we just wanna, it's not
Painful.
interesting.
Painful.
All right, I'll see you soon.
Oh yeah.
I'm not looking forward to helping you push this thing into the shop.
This is gonna be a fun night. All right, well, we're headed back to the shop right now. That was definitely what I was hearing after the first pass was when you were driving forward, I was like, I can hear something. It was definitely the axle. Honestly, I'm super happy with the day. I'm super happy I got a couple passes, and on top of that, I mean, so what? We knew the rear end was gonna go sooner or later, so.
That was quicker than I thought it was with those tires, with this power, like.
The plan was to
Oh,
change it
look.
after today, but oh, this is the car that crashed today. Oh man.
It's salvageable.
Apparently right after I went, a biker went and the oil pan blew out, and the whole trek down he spilled oil, but he kept going, didn't stop. So the guy over the intercom was like, make sure you guys pull over if you have an accident. And then I think this guy went and crashed, and I don't know what happened. What I was hearing over the loudspeaker,
okay.
so yeah.
Doesn't look too bad. But
No, he was fine. He was in the car getting towed out, like, yeah, that happened. But that's all part of the game, that's all part of racing.
Later.
Man, it is a lot of work to try and get this car with the manual steering box that doesn't run with a welded diff and broken axles inside of this shop right here, but we did it, and oh my god, what? This is honestly such a fun day, and I'm so happy with how the car turned out and drove, and I broke 8s, and that's all I wanted for today, but we need more power, and I really want to put the car on the lift to go see what's going on, so wait till the next episode, we'll assess the damage and see what actually broke, although I think we know, but now it just means beefier rear end. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to all of those who came up and said what's up to me at Irwindale. I love you guys. What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? Can I hear this?
Nah, it's a little weak sauce.
What do you mean? That sounds great.
It's alright, it's alright.
And I'll see you on the next episode. Ecrew, we out here with love. Bye. Roadster with the manual and 50 shy horsepower.
50 more horsepower, isn't it?
Am I 350 now and I had 300 before? That makes sense now.